Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about BMW G310GS features and test ride. Have you ever dreamed of hitting the open road, the wind in your face, and endless adventure ahead of you? Well, meet the bike that's built for exactly that, the BMW G310GS. It's small, it's mighty, and it's ready to take you places you've only dreamed of. But here's the big question, is this the adventure bike you've been waiting for? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about first impressions. You walk up to the G310GS, and it doesn't scream, entry level. No, this thing looks like it means business. The bold GS beak up front, the aggressive stance, and of course, that iconic BMW badge, it all just oozes quality. And you'd never guess it's one of the most affordable bikes in the BMW lineup. It looks like its bigger GS siblings, but don't be fooled by its size, this bike is packing some serious capability. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, you'll find a 313cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. Now, I know what you're thinking, 313cc. Is that enough? But let me tell you, once you twist that throttle, all your doubts disappear. This little engine delivers 34 horsepower, and while that might not sound earth-shattering, it's how the bike delivers that power that makes it so much fun. It's smooth, it's responsive, and whether you're zipping through city traffic or cruising down an open highway, it just feels right. But where this bike really shines is in its versatility. The G310GS isn't just for one type of rider. It's for the commuter who wants a reliable ride to work. It's for the weekend warrior looking to escape the city and hit some backroads. And it's for the adventurer who wants to tackle dirt trails and gravel paths. Thanks to its lightweight frame and high ground clearance, this bike can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Now, let's talk about comfort, because BMW didn't just slap together an adventure bike and call it a day. The seating position, perfectly upright, giving you that commanding view of the road ahead. The handlebars, wide and easy to grip, giving you full control whether you're navigating tight city streets or rough off-road terrain. And the seat, plush enough for long rides, but supportive enough to keep you comfortable when the road gets bumpy. And speaking of bumps, let's talk suspension. The G310GS comes with long travel suspension that eats potholes and rough terrain for breakfast. Up front, you've got 41mm upside-down forks, and in the rear, there's a preload adjustable monoshock. What does all that mean? It means you can take this bike on pretty much any road, or no road at all, and it'll handle like a champ. Now, BMW didn't skimp on the tech either. The G310GS comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that's clear, easy to read, and gives you all the info you need at a glance: speed, fuel level, gear position, and more. And let's not forget the standard ABS, which you can switch off at the rear if you're feeling adventurous off-road. That's a feature you don't always see on bikes at this price point. And here's the kicker: fuel efficiency. This bike sips fuel like it's fine wine, giving you incredible mileage without sacrificing performance. Whether you're commuting or exploring, you won't have to worry about constant fuel stops cutting into your ride time. But hey, no bike is perfect, right? So what are the downsides? Well, if you're looking for blistering speed or planning to do two-up touring across continents, you might find the G310GS a bit underpowered. The wind protection is decent, but on long highway rides, you might wish for a taller windshield. And while the seat is comfy, hardcore adventurers might look for aftermarket upgrades for those really long hauls. But here's the thing, the G310GS isn't trying to be a big, heavy adventure bike. It's designed to be accessible, fun, and versatile. It's the kind of bike that invites you to get out there and explore, whether it's your daily commute, a weekend ride through the countryside, or an unexpected detour down a dirt trail. And let's not forget about the price. This is one of the most affordable ways to get into the BMW GS family, and it's packed with value. You're getting premium build quality, advanced features, and that iconic BMW badge, all without breaking the bank. It's a fantastic entry point into the world of adventure biking, and it's perfect for riders of all experience levels. So, who is the BMW G310GS for? It's for the rider who wants a little bit of everything: urban commuting, weekend adventures, off-road capability, and the reliability of a BMW. It's for the beginner who wants a manageable bike to build confidence on. And it's for the experienced rider who wants a lightweight, go-anywhere machine that's just as comfortable on the streets as it is in the dirt. At the end of the day, the BMW G310GS is more than just a motorcycle, it's a ticket to adventure. It's the bike that says, let's go, no matter where you are or what the road looks like ahead. So if you're ready to explore, to push boundaries, and to experience the world on two wheels, the G310GS is ready to take you there. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.